get inside, you gotta hit the elevator, all right? Like, this is what I love about this place. It's like, it's just hidden, and then you got this elevator, look how small this is, right? I mean, like, it's like a underground, I don't even know, like, you know, you're going to mine, you know what I'm talking about. So, this is exciting. Alright, I'll show you what's on the other side of the elevators.